If Hyundai decides to build a motorhome, it's probably going to start with one of their van or commercial vehicle platforms. Such the Hyundai Starex H1. This van model's quite small yet spacious size makes it a popular platform for third-party campervans in several regions. Hyundai might create a more integrated design on top of this base if they were to officially launch a motorhome. A more roomy and opulent camper may alternatively be built on the bigger Hyundai Solati H350 van. Their motorhome's exterior will probably include futuristic LED lighting, clean lines, and an emphasis on aerodynamics for economy, all in keeping with Hyundai's current design philosophy. Functionality will be a top concern because it's a motorhome. Large side windows for views and light, wide sliding doors for ease access, and the possible addition of an awning or other exterior elements are all likely to be included. A factory-built motorhome will probably have a more smooth, integrated design between the driver's cabin and the living space than an aftermarket conversion, which frequently resembles a box put onto a van. Since lodging and travel are a motorhome's main functions, the inside will probably be planned with a flexible arrangement to optimize room for sleeping, eating, and unwinding. The inside of their RV will probably have a contemporary, tidy, and minimalist appearance using integrated parts and horizontal lines, in keeping with Hyundai's current design philosophy. Hyundai's passenger cars are renowned for their excellent technological integration. Additionally, their RVs will probably include computerized controls for lighting, heating, and other features, sophisticated infotainment systems, and strong connection. Considering that motorhomes are used for outdoor activities and travel, selecting comfortable, long-lasting, and easily cleaned materials will be crucial. A comfortable and useful environment will always be created with well-designed lighting, which includes both adjustable artificial lighting and natural illumination from windows. If Hyundai does produce a motorhome in 2025, we may guess what engines it would employ, probably based on an existing model. It will probably employ the 2.5L diesel engine found in the H10 if that is the base model. The 2.2L diesel engine or the 3.5L V6 petrol engine available for the Staria will probably be used if the basis is the Staria. An electric motor will be used if an electric version is created.